Sawadee Katalan Mabuhay Philippines. It's me again, Teacher Maria, your trust teacher from Surigao City, province of Surigao del Norte. Proud Surigaonan ko. Ano kasi yan sa lamin? So guys, today it's Wednesday. Naka-green ako pack. Green bracelet, green shirt, green ang aking earrings, green shoes. Pack. So ngayon, titingnan natin ang reaction ng mga estudyante ko. Kasi itong mga bata na to, masyadong maingay. I mean, they're jolly, they're playful. So let's see what's gonna be the reaction sa aking kasuutan. Sabi ko sa inyo. Do we have class today? Do you have class with Teacher Maria? No?
And
Today is Wednesday.
yes, I have class and
Yeah,
Thursday.
it's me.
Okay, wait,
Not me?
yes, yes.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
Why?
Yesterday.
I'm sorry. Bye. Sorry ka, teacher. So, palpak. Ang layo kasi naisip tong class na to kasi they're one of the noisiest. They're one of the noisiest class, yet they're very active and they're very supportive in my cause. And they really have to do it. Yes, sawadee ka. Ano sila, very, ano yung mga bata na yon, very... Is this my class? Oh my God, I'm so sorry.